Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a first look at Samsung's bold new device, the Galaxy Z TriFold. This is not just another phone, it folds not once, but twice, giving you a massive screen experience in a pocketable device. When you unfold the TriFold, you get a 10.0-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with QXGA Plus resolution and vivid colors, a display ideal for multitasking, media, gaming or productivity. And when you close it, it becomes a 6.5-inch cover display, perfect for everyday smartphone tasks. On paper, this is like combining a tablet and a phone into one device. Under the hood, the TriFold is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, paired with 16 GB of RAM and huge storage options, 512 GB or 1 TB. That means it's built for heavy workloads, multitasking, and future-proof performance. For photography and video lovers, Samsung equipped it with a powerful triple rear camera setup. The main camera is a 200MP sensor, capable of delivering high-resolution photos. You also get solid ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, and a capable front/cover camera system for selfies and video calls. Battery life won't be an issue. 5,600 mAh battery capacity is one of the largest seen on a foldable device, and charging is fast with 45W wired and wireless charging support. With the Galaxy Z TriFold, Samsung appears to aim for a do-everything device, a tablet when you need big screen space, a smartphone when you want portability, blending productivity, entertainment and photography in one package. Of course, its TriFold design makes it bulky when folded compared to slim phones, but for those who want flexibility and power, this device could redefine what a smartphone means. If you enjoyed this first look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest smartphone news. See you in the next video.